How to fix error code nu80070422 on Google Play Games for Windows. So if you want to fix this error, then what you need to do is first you need to just simply go with your search and search for CMD, which is command prompt, and go with run as administrator. Click on yes and enter a command, which is bcdedit space / set space hypervisorlaunchtype space auto, and then hit the enter. Now the other thing you can do is you can open up your system configuration, search for system configuration, and you will get a new kind of window. Now you need to go with the services section. Here you need to go with hide all Microsoft services, and you need to enable the service, which is your Google Updater. So make sure to enable that service, and then you need to go with apply and OK. And after that, just go and restart your device, and after restarting, try relaunching the game and your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.